Why your dog barks at nothing. Spoiler alert, it's not nothing. Ever caught your dog barking at thin air and wondered if they're seeing ghosts? Well, they're not just barking at nothing. They're sensing things you can't even imagine. In this video, we're revealing 11 strange things dogs can see, hear, and sense, things that go completely unnoticed by humans. Stick around until the final point tits the most. Mind-blowing and maybe even a little spooky. One of them all. But before we jump in, do us a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us bring you more awesome dog content. Now, let's decode what's happening in your dog's world. Number 11. Dogs can feel the Earth's invisible capacity. You know, your dog might have a built-in GPS, some scientists believe. Dogs can sense the Earth's magnetic field through special receptors in their noses or eyes. That's why they often spin in circles before settling down. They're actually aligning themselves with the planet's magnetic pole. Pretty cool, right? Number 10. Dogs have night vision that puts yours to chamois vert. Notice how your dog walks confidently in the dark while you're fumbling for a light switch. That's because dogs have a special layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light and helps them see way better in low-light conditions. So while you're struggling to find your way, your pup is casually strolling around like a superhero. Number 9. Dogs can see UV light and hidden patterns. You've probably heard the myth that dogs only see in black and white. Not true. It's while they don't see as many colors as we do, they can detect ultraviolet UV light, allowing them to see patterns and details invisible to humans. That's why your dog sometimes fixates on spots that look totally normal to you. They're seeing something you can't. Number 8. Dogs hear sounds you'll never notice. Dogs have super sensitive ears that pick up sounds way beyond human hearing. They can hear high-pitched noises, like a mouse running in the walls, a dog whistle, or even distant thunderstorms long before you do. So if your pup suddenly perks up and you hear nothing, they're probably tuned into a frequency you can't detect. Number 7. Dogs have a built-in motion radar. Your dog doesn't just see you move, they feel it. Their brains are wired to detect even the tiniest motion, which is why they know when you're about to grab a treat before you even move. This skill makes them incredible hunters and also helps them read your body language better than you might realize. Number 6. Dogs can sense your emotions. Think you can hide your feelings from your dog. Think again. Dogs are emotional sponges. They pick up on your tone, body language, and even the chemical signals your body releases when you're stressed, happy, or sad. That's why they comfort you when you're feeling down or get extra excited when you're happy. Number 5. Dogs can detect heat like superheroes ever. Wonder why your dog always knows exactly where to snuggle. Dogs have heat-sensing abilities, allowing them to detect warmth even in total darkness. This skill comes from their wild ancestors who used it to locate prey. It might also explain why your pup curls up next to you when you're sick. They can sense even the slightest temperature changes. Number 4. Dogs can smell secrets you can't hide. Dogs' sense of smell is up to 100,000 times better than yours. They can detect pheromones that reveal fear, aggression, and even illness. Some dogs can even sniff out diseases like cancer and diabetes. So next time your dog sniffs you a little too intensely, they might be picking up on something you don't even know about yet. Number 3. Dogs see the world in their own colors. Dogs don't see in black and white, but their vision is different from ours. They mainly see shades of blue, yellow, and gray, which means if you want to buy them a toy, they'll actually notice. Go for blue or yellow instead of red or green. Number 2. Dogs can hear infrasound, nature's hidden signals. Ever notice your dog acting restless before a storm or earthquake? That's because they can hear infrasound, low-frequency vibrations that humans can't detect. This ability allows them to sense natural disasters before they happen. So if your dog starts acting strangely out of nowhere, pay attention. It might not just be random behavior. Number 1. Dogs and the paranormal, fact or fiction. And now, the big question. Do dogs see ghosts? While there's no solid scientific proof, many dog owners report their pets growling, barking, or staring at empty spaces like they see something unseen. Some experts believe this could be due to their heightened senses picking up on subtle sounds, smells, or energy shifts that we don't notice. Whether it's a spirit or just a draft, Your dog might be tuned into something beyond our perception. Understanding these incredible dog senses helps us communicate better with our furry friends. But just as important as knowing what they can sense is knowing what they can't forgive. Because some mistakes can seriously harm your bond with your dog. So don't miss our next video on the things a dog will never forgive. You might be making one of these mistakes without even realizing it. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out.